So how can you do the JPEG format on the iPhone? Let me explain it right now, and if it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So, of course, when you capture a photo inside of the built-in camera app, it's going to be of a certain format. So you can go to the Photos app, click on the latest image, and when you swipe up on it, you'll see exactly in which format it was. So as you can see, in my case, it was in this one, and definitely not the JPEG. So if I want to change that, what I can do is go to settings. Make sure you are on the main settings page, and you should be able to find a camera right there. And the thing we are interested in is the format, and there are two options at the top. We have the high efficiency, which was selected right now, and there is also the most compatible. And when I switch to the most compatible, it will now capture photos in the JPEG, which is in fact the most compatible format for photos. So let me do it again. Go to the camera, capture a photo, and when I go to the gallery, go to the latest one, this one is in fact going to be in a JPEG. So that's how we can do this. Of course, the older one, which is in the HEIF format, the high efficiency, still can be converted to JPEG. So you can use online converter or an app converter, which is going to basically turn it into the JPEG. But yeah, it's better to capture it in the format you actually want. So that's something which I wanted to quickly explain. If you like this type of tutorials, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming ones, and I'll see you later.